Scandale de corruption Huawei, la réponse de la présidente du Parlement européen. Une journaliste a relancé, Madame la Présidente, avec des scandales de corruption récurrents année après année ou périodiquement, vos réformes sont-elles vraiment efficaces?
On your second question, Max. This is, I will give you, as you can imagine, a general answer with regards to the fact that I cannot comment on ongoing, if any, investigations. However, I joined politics to fight corruption, and when we were faced with a particularly difficult set of allegations in last mandate, we embarked on an unprecedented set of reforms, which were very difficult to push through, to have majorities over, in order to completely change the accountability and integrity standards that were needed to be held by members of the European Parliament and the administration. We pushed those through, and I will very gladly say that because of that push through, we now have alarm bells and firewalls in place, which means that if certain issues come to light, then the process can take place smoothly. Where are we at? We cooperate, as always, with the authorities. That's our job and our obligation. And I can reassure you that that is exactly what we've done. That is exactly what we will do, without speculation as to who or what or which names might still or not come to light. It is within that framework that I will take my job as an organization and as an institution and as president extremely seriously within the confines of the law and my prerogatives.
Thank you. We will take a last question. Marek?
Thank you, Marek Majewski, German press agency, DPA. It's a follow-up on the alleged corruption scandal in the Parliament. You already mentioned what you've done after Qatargate. Do you think you have done enough, or shall we get used to have a corruption scandal once a year or regularly? And if you think that you haven't done enough, what are the next steps you're aiming for to get better regulation in place? Thank you.
There is a difference between rules in place and implementation. So rules are in place and implementation is being done, I can tell you, as swiftly as possible. You will see, without a doubt, from the news as to some allegations that have been circulating since last week, a couple of requests that were made to the Parliament. Parliament complied immediately and will defend its prerogatives and defend itself as an institution, and that I need to make very clear. And that is also thanks to one of the reforms that we put, which sought to have better exchange of information between the Parliament and the seats where it is located. That is not a given, and that was not always the case, but now I am reassured that it is. What can we do in the future? The first thing I said in 2022 was that one can never exclude that wrongdoings will be committed. I would say this comfortably with absolutely any organization that is made up of humans. What I can also tell you, however, is how you react to when those wrongdoings are alleged and those wrongdoings are proven and convictions ensue. We cooperate fully with all authorities and all agencies on this.
Thank you very much for attending this press conference, and we will end up here. Thank you.